have in my hand a 70 watt outdoor LED floodlight. So the key point to note in this is a 70 watt LED is the equivalent on this particular version of a 700 watt halogen light. So it's massively energy efficient compared to what's gone before, and the advantages of it are, along with that there is the maintenance cost is extremely low. The expected life expectancy of it of continuous use is between 40 to 50,000 hours of use, and indeed Manhattan are giving a full 5-year warranty on all their floodlights. In terms of the chipset that comes with it, they're using an Epistar chipset, and that's the key thing inside it in terms of the quality of the product, or the key cost component inside it. And what we have then is a really high quality product. If you look at the actual design of the moulding and things like that, it's cast aluminium and it's powder coated. One of the cool elements of the design on this is, instead of putting the screws in the front to hold the faceplate on, they've actually drilled it from behind. And you can see we have the screws here, and it just means that any type of possible wear that might happen on or corrosion over a period of time will be completely hidden, because normally these joints will be the weak point, but now because they're tucked away it's much less likely. In terms of it comes in this outer box which you can see here with a user manual which is in English, and if we move to the main event here, it comes with a 120 degree beam angle, and if we come along then and we just see here that we have this base here which we can just rotate. We'll actually need an Allen key to just loosen it off here to give the full adjustment on it, but it just gives great range in terms of how we can point it and angle it. In terms of where it sits in the range of the LEDs that we sell, it's one of the more larger ones. So floodlights are normally starting at about 10 watts, which would normally be a 100 watt equivalent, and move 71 the larger ones, and some ranges will actually go all the way up to 120 watt. In terms of the reason we went with Manhattan is we have experience dealing with Manhattan in terms of set-top boxes, things like that, on our website, and we found them really reputable, and they've gone into the lights in a really big way. And they're the first UK company that are both very competitive in terms of the price and also coming along and offering a 5-year warranty on their units. If we come along here with just the lead that comes with it here, we can see that it's just ready to be wired in, and just the 3 leads as you'd expect. So it's all part of the lighting section that can be found within the electrical area on freetv.ie.